Good morning, guys. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. So let's go straight to our daily analysis. Yeah, it's Tuesday. It's Tuesday, and the market is a bit slower. But man, yesterday, we did catch some peeps, little bit here and there. So what's really happening? I hope you are doing great, guys. I hope you are doing great. I hope you are doing good. Yeah. When we go, let's check how many days left before we reach January. Okay, this thing just fades. Okay, we can easily see that we only left with 1 week. So the other week is the one for the new year, 2024, obviously. So yeah, I don't think this week we're going to see any movement. Also, this week I don't think we're gonna see any crazy push from the market. But when I check here on CNBC, you can see that Bank of Japan sticks to ultra easy monetary. Actually, they did not change their interest rates, and this might make Japan to be weaker. You will see that when we go on the chart, because they did not really increase or decrease. They just kept them like that. The same thing that US did. Okay, so what's really happening on Forex Factory, where we can get our economic news? You can easily see that Monday, Tuesday, nothing. We did not really have any economic news. Starting from tomorrow, which is Wednesday, it's where we're gonna have consumer confident, CPI from GBP, and also USD consumer confident. Thursday, final GDP and unemployment claims. I think these are the only high impact news that I think maybe they can move the market a little bit. From there, I don't really see much. It's that time of the year we just have to relax and do some other things. But you can save that cash. January is around the corner. You can see you can't just waste the whole year of savings or the whole year of hustling for only this week, 25, 26, whatever, by just doing some stuff. Anyways, it's up to you guys. Let's see. So another thing that I wanted you to do, guys, thanks to everyone who subscribed to this channel. I will still put the link in the description, or maybe on the comment section, just to subscribe. We are on a 45 subscribers currently, so if there is another 5 who actually don't really want to miss on this channel, or whatever that I'm going to update here, we're going to talk about the market, but not the charts, not specifically on the charts. 5 people, if you don't really mind, you can smash that subscribe. Check the comment section. I did send that you can subscribe and support your boy, as I'm always updating you here. I think maybe that should come. It's easy. It's just like saying thank you. So anyways, let's go straight to the market. What's really happening? Oh, I was trying to show you that JPY. You can see after they announced that, you can see the market did push a little bit. After they said they're not going to increase the rate, they kept them unchanged. You can see the market did push a little bit up. But unfortunately, even the dollar is weaker. That's why we don't really see an aggressive push. Maybe we will see that maybe on CAD. Let's see Canada. What's really happening on Canada? Yeah, also Canada did quite the same thing. You can see here the market broke out of that resistance. I think this is proper push. You can see this is a proper push to the upside. Do you see that? So yeah, that is much better than what we saw on USD JPY. Let's check Euro JPY, maybe also pushed. You can see that. So anyways, let's push to the to our daily analysis. Don't forget to smash to that subscribe button if you are new to this channel. But I have my old people who already know the streets of Xtrahot. You know what to do. You can just smash that like. You can share the video. The channel is growing very nice because of you guys. So yeah, I really appreciate that. So DXY, which is the dollar, it represents the dollar, the strength or the strength of the dollar. What's really happening? We know very well that now we are pushing to the lowest side. We have this downtrend. The market is been pushing to the lowest side. So what do we see? Nothing much, nothing much. So, but where we are now, we can easily see that we have this area, previous reversal. Around this area, I think it's where the market will be doing what? I think the market will be trying to push even lower. If not, maybe the market will even break this area and reach our resistance there before we see a push the lower side. But the market won't be moving that much. I'm just expecting to see maybe the market consolidating. We will see this in January. We know we have to see this in January. But as you are a trader, you know there is this thing of it's called discipline. And discipline, or at the same time trying to make this as your habit, whether it's festive season or not. Every day make sure that you check the charts. January is gonna just, it's not like it's not going to feel like a work or a job. Then you just continue doing whatever that you're doing. Whether we are grooving, just check your chart and see what's really happening. So you're not going to get surprises around January, right? So now we are on GBPUSD. I'm trying to make this video very quick, but I think I will make it very quick. So we are able to see that, yeah, the market is still on that uptrend. Nothing changed much from yesterday's analysis. We are on an uptrend. You can see that it seems like this uptrend or this trend is now solid. So I'm expecting the market to push the upside. The way the market is now, it seems like the market found something like a smaller support. Let's try to zoom. Let's try to zoom that. You can see that the market created something there like a support. Yeah, and it's possible. You can see that for the market to reach this area or this level, that might be quite far. So maybe the market wants to create something like that and start to push the upside. We might have that sort of consolidation or ranging structure before we push the upside. But on top there, you can also see that we have a resistance. So when we buy or when we sell, I'm hoping that you're gonna take make sure that you point that out. The market might reverse there, so that might be your take profit 1, or maybe take profit 2 should be above this resistance. But yes, that's what's really happening. We are on this uptrend. We keep it simple. We keep this simple by analyzing, or already you will understand. And if maybe we're gonna keep it as a bullish momentum like that, sorry, on GBP, we can actually have a buy there. Why? We are on an uptrend. Even though the market might try to go against us, we know very well that the market will end up coming back in our favor. We can keep it like that. But just know that the market might be quite slower. The market can be quite slow. So I see the same thing also here. I was doing the analysis earlier, I think yesterday. You can see that also we have the quite say the same structure there. The market created this sort of rejections, and that we can say maybe it's a sort of a smaller support. The market can still push the upside. Remember, we are on an uptrend. So going down up to this point while the dollar is a bit weaker, sometimes it might not really happen. It's quite similar to here. We might have the reversals, but the market did not really reach lower like that. You can see the market kept pushing up. Even here, we might have something like that pushing even higher. So we have to think about that. So if on this one, obviously, we missed that if we were thinking about buying. But if you buy, quite similar to what I showed you on GBPUSD, it's not like maybe just hold and forget this, because the market can still reverse. So what we can say is, just if you take a buy, make sure that you monitor that trade and you can just get out anyway, because we are also still going to be very closer to this resistance. The market can still respect that. Even though we know that the market is on an uptrend, yes, but we have to take care we don't really have to be careless just because we said the market is going to the upside, unless if you have $1 million in your trading account. So gold, what's really happening? Nothing much. The market is still on this uptrend. We saw the market was pushing up. We saw this reversal here. Where we are now, the market is just playing games. You can see that the market is just The market is just consolidating. The market is just consolidating. Let's see. So yeah, the market reached this level of resistance. So obviously you can see that it's something there. Even going back here, you can see that there is something. So now what we have is it's like the market wants to respect this level. But you know what? For us to not have like 1,000 lines here, we can just relax and see, because we know that this is a stronger resistance. Yes, we are on an uptrend. The market can easily break that, but the market will eventually give us something, a nice structure that we can try to follow. But now let's relax, guys. We already smashed the market very nice, so let's relax and see what's really happening. On gold, I think maybe also a reversal can be a very good thing. So on Thursday, remember, we have unemployment claims or jobless claims. Maybe that will push the market to go a bit lower before we see a very nice push, or maybe the market will just break out there and we can jump on that. But what I know is, even if we're going to jump on the market, just know that the market is going to be way too slower. So don't just try to, because the market will hold you 3 days straight and you will be saying that the brokers are doing this and that. So on US30, what's really happening on US30? Nothing much, guys. So since we see that we are on this nice aggressive uptrend, the market is stuck. The market is stuck, and it's not really surprising. It's not really surprising. The market has been pushing up for quite some time. So on US30 here, guys, I have a notification after the market breaks out. So let me just put it here. I have that notification, so that if maybe the market breaks, I will be ready to take that buy. So what do we have? We can easily see that yes, the market created some crazy structures. You can see we have this steep uptrend, and now we are on this resistance. The question is, will the market try to break that? Yeah, it's possible the market can break and push to the upside, or maybe the market will try to push even lower, and that will be proper. For me, that will be proper. And if it reaches if the market reaches this area, I will be ready to do what? To buy. Then we can continue pushing to the upside. So simple as that. So there's nothing much, but the market seems to be way too relaxed. So yeah, quite similar to what we see here on Nasdaq. The market just broke out. Then you can see the market gave us a proper consolidation here after the breakout. After this resistance, we saw an aggressive breakout. So it's like the market is trying to give us the same clue here. You see, after this consolidation, we had this proper breakout and it was aggressive. Do you see that? So even here we have this sort of consolidation. Even if it did not really last longer, now we have a breakout. The market can still fly quite similar to this, and that's might happen here. But just because there is very low liquidity, or there is like few participation in the market, people are on holidays, so you can see that the market is still struggling there, but we were in a smaller profit. Even now we are on that smaller profit, but I went out because I entered a bit earlier. So I don't really see much. I am still bullish, but I don't really see some crazy push, guys. Things are going to be slower. It's holiday seasons. We're gonna have like 3 days in a row where it's just going to be holiday, 24, 25, 26, something like that. So that is going to just drag the market, but it's fine. We will be learning some new tricks. This is time for us to learn. It's not like just because it's festive you don't really have to do something productive. We can still do something productive because you're doing that for yourself, so that next year or next week, next week, we can be here eating together. So let's see what's really happening on S&P. Okay, S&P quite similar to Nasdaq. We broke out of that resistance, but we stuck. The market doesn't really want to push the upside, which I understand that. So for those who want to be part of the team, you can see here we have 150, 250, 350 signals. Just let me know. These are 2023 prices, guys. So next year our value continues to push to the upside, so we're not going to just go down, decrease in value, whereas we offer some very nice, some very, very, very great services. You see. So for those who want to be part of the team on VIP mentorship, it's $350. You can scan this QR code, then you can just know, and we're going to start this January till December until you make it, until you are profitable. I will be holding you with your hand and making sure that you do the right thing. Whether you are a beginner or a pro, but mostly if you are not profitable or if you just want to learn, you see, and learn to make it, not just to learn and still lose, learn to make it. So anyways, guys, thank you very much. Don't forget to smash that subscribe on this channel. We just left with 5 people to reach that 50 subscribers. That will be good. I will never ask you again. I just want it to be alive, then I can keep posting here again so that it will grow by itself. This is another thing that people do. Oh yeah, let me talk about it. December, guys, we need to help each other, especially the black brothers all over the place. Black brothers and sisters, whether you're white or everyone actually. So it's December, guys. You know, it's better to start things. You know, I've been also trying to have another channel that we're not going to be specifically on the chart, and I've been dragging this channel maybe for a year. I've been changing the names, trying to do this, and you are not alone. You can see, let me show you. You can see this channel I started like around 2 years ago. Actually it's older than the one that we are using now. So but I've been just playing games. I've been just changing the names, not knowing what to do. But we reach a point where we just need to start. Whether we have subscribers or not, you can see it's 45 subscribers. So you can see I don't really have any advantage against maybe compared to anyone. So it's all about starting from scratch. You can start somewhere, and it's gonna be funny. Let's say next year around this time, next year December, starting from this, how many subscribers do you think will be there? It will be here, obviously, or this channel will reach. Obviously, we're gonna be maybe more than 1,000 subscribers or something like that. But it's not all about the subscribers. It's all about starting from scratch. You can start from scratch. You can start with $100 and make it. You can start with $500 and still make it. So the problem is when you don't really want to learn, when you don't really want to start, you always postpone. Hey, I don't really have time. You have time. That 15 minutes that you have that you just do, you just watch TikTok or unnecessary things, you can start something. We have good traders out here, mostly who are watching here. You can still open your YouTube channel. You can record your journey. You can make it maybe with in 5 years, but you recorded your journey, and that YouTube can one day pays you. Don't be afraid to say, oh, it's like everyone is starting YouTube channel. Yeah, it's like everyone is starting business. It's business, guys. If you go, even Apple, even Microsoft, they have YouTube account. If you want to do TikTok and promote your product, do that. Do that. You can say, okay, Kenzo, you can talk to me. You see what I'm doing here? I'm promoting this channel. You can also talk to me and say, Kenzo, I have this channel. Can you promote it? Yeah, maybe I will try on this channel. Maybe it will grow. If it doesn't really grow, maybe you're gonna get 2 people just to subscribe to your channel. You see. So the point of this, let's start somewhere. Next year, as I told you, when I say get mentorship, get whatever, I'm not saying specifically me, but if you are interested in the way I'm doing things, yes, you can come to me. But now it's a new year, and maybe you've been trading, but maybe things are not going the way you want. The first thing that I will be posting a video on this channel, but I will recommend you to get someone who's gonna help you, or let's say you're gonna have to get a mentor. Now we're talking some stuff. It's no longer about analysis. Get a mentor. Once you're getting that mentor, try to play around with demo. I know it's not really easy, but try to get that demo and work with that maybe for 2 months, 3 months, until you see what you're gonna do. On this demo, obviously, you're going to focus on 1 or 2 pairs. So you're not going to focus on 100 things, right? So, and have a proper trading plan, because most of you already know, trading, and but you just keep the simplest things. And after you have this, I can say try to cancel short-term goals, or I can specifically say cancel your money goals, short-term money goals. This thing of saying in a week I will make this, in 2 weeks I will make this, that put unnecessary pressure on your psychology, and at the end of the day you over risk, you overuse the lot sizes. Why? Because you want to reach this bigger amount, but the account is too smaller, the time doesn't really allow you to do that. Remember, even bigger businesses lose billions every year, every month. So mostly their target is not going to be within 3 months. It's going to be maybe from 10 to 20, let's say from 5 years to 10 years. From there, we're going to have some proper profits after 10 years. Let's treat the market like as a business. Stay on your own lane. Stop comparing yourself with other people. You're not them. Some people, they trade to buy cars. I can say I trade to eat. I just trade so that I can able to eat, not to do something crazy. If I can able to eat, I'll be happy. If I can wear and eat, that's simple. This is the basic thing that we actually need. Then the rest will come. It means if you can afford the rest, it means yeah, you are doing good. But if you can make $10 from whatever the amount account you have, man, it's better than nothing. With this $10, $20, I think maybe, I don't know how much is that. But for us South Africans, we know that you can buy that 5 kg mixed potion, and now you enjoying, you start to live. Because first thing first, if you can eat, you're reducing other unnecessary emotions. If you can pay your child's school fees or maybe your rent, now you're no longer under that weight. Now you can see things straight. And from there, what will happen? You're gonna be profitable. But the problem is, sometimes we trade under pressure. It's not like maybe you don't know what you're doing, but just because you don't really want to lose that money, you get in a smaller negative, it's a panic, then you close. Once you close, the market tends to go again on that direction that you chose before. Now you're using the emotions, you go back again, and the market goes against you again. And you will think maybe or they've been witching you or something, but it's not. It's your emotions. But as I told you, try to learn, guys. Try to get something. As I told you, we have mentorship. We have some signals. It's up to you. It's new year. It's here around the corner. You can start afresh. Anyways, guys, thank you very much for watching this video. Don't forget to smash the subscribe. I will put the link on the description or on the comment section. Then whoever who wants to subscribe, they will subscribe. If you don't, please don't. You are not forced. But I want you to subscribe. But if you don't have to. I think there is billion people who can do that. But let's just support each other. Thank you very much. See you on the next one.